Understanding, rust out. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating phrase in the English language, rust out. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Rust out is a compound term made up of two words, rust and out. To understand the phrase fully, it's beneficial to look at them separately. Rust generally refers to the reddish-brown coating that forms on the surface of iron when exposed to moisture and air. It's a form of corrosion. Metaphorically, it can imply decay, deterioration, or a lack of use. Out. Here, out implies a process or a result, indicating that something has undergone a transformation or change. When combined, rust out generally means to deteriorate, decay, or become obsolete due to inactivity or lack of use. In a broader sense, it's the opposite of burnout. While burnout suggests exhaustion from excessive activity, rust out suggests decline from inactivity. To better grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. He fears he'll rust out if he doesn't find a job soon. This implies the person is worried about losing their skills or relevance due to a lack of activity or work. 2. The old machinery in the factory has rusted out, and it's no longer operational. Here, the phrase is used more literally to indicate that the machinery has deteriorated. 3. It's essential to keep learning and evolving in our field, or we might rust out. In this context, it means becoming obsolete or outdated due to a lack of growth or knowledge update. Many learners may confuse rust out with simply rusting or decaying. It's essential to remember that rust out often carries a metaphorical meaning related to an activity leading to decline, rather than just physical deterioration. Example of incorrect use: the bike was left in the rain and rusted out. Here, just saying the bike rusted would be sufficient. Rust out is a compelling phrase that vividly captures the idea of decline due to inactivity or neglect. Remember, just as it's essential to maintain machines to prevent rusting, it's crucial to keep our skills and knowledge updated to avoid rusting out. I hope this video has shed some light on this term for you. Keep learning and evolving.